I read a book in my room. I read a book in my room. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I use my computer at home. I use my computer at home. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I close the curtains at night. I close the curtains at night. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I water the plants. I water the plants. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I boil water in the kitchen. I boil water in the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I open the kitchen cabinet. I open the kitchen cabinet. I open the door. I open the door. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I clean the table. I clean the table. I cook in the kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. I make tea for myself. I make tea for myself. I eat breakfast at the table. I eat breakfast at the table. I drink milk in the morning. I drink milk in the morning. I walk down the stairs. I walk down the stairs. I stand in the hallway. I stand in the hallway. I open the bedroom door. I open the bedroom door. I close the bathroom door. I close the bathroom door. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I move the chair near the table. I move the chair near the table. I organize my books. I organize my books. I pick up my toys. I pick up my toys. I put my keys on the table. I put my keys on the table. I rest in the living room. I rest in the living room. I look out the window. I look out the window. I smell the food in the kitchen. I smell the food in the kitchen. I hear the rain from my room. I hear the rain from my room. I put the cups in the cabinet. I put the cups in the cabinet. I open the kitchen cabinet. I open the kitchen cabinet. I take rice from the pot. I take rice from the pot. I eat lunch in the dining room. I eat lunch in the dining room. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I study at my desk. I study at my desk.